In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok if it's not uploading your videos. That's quite simple and easy. I've got for you some different ways, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and tap on that plus icon and let's try to upload some videos. I'll select that one. Hit next, next again, and if you're trying to tap on that post button and nothing is gonna happen, TikTok is not uploading your video, it may be happen in case of different reasons. So first you're gonna do, you need to go back to your profile. Here tap on that three lines icon, here select settings and privacy, and here we look for clear cache option. You need to clear all your cache because sometimes it can be a reason of some issues. Select that and now cache is cleared. You see here is 0 megabytes. Then second you're gonna do, you may open up your app store, type in TikTok here, and here you need to check that your TikTok application is up to date. Here I see the open button, but if your TikTok application is not the latest version, here will be the update button. Just hit on that and install the latest version of the application. Next, what you're gonna do if these two ways didn't help you, next you may try to tap and hold on the TikTok application and remove that app. Hit on delete app button to delete this application from your phone, and then you may try to reinstall that from the App Store. This action also may help you. So there is one more reason why you can't upload new videos on TikTok. That's because TikTok temporarily ban your account so you can upload new videos. Sometimes it's gonna happen, TikTok ban you for a couple of hours, for a day, or even for a week, and in that situation you can upload videos but you can't post them. You may just save them as drafts, and so you can upload videos, save them as drafts and wait until TikTok unban your account. So guys, in that video I show you 4 different ways. I hope even one of them was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.